guys, welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Khan's kitchen. So today we'll be making a chicken topping for our pizzas. So we've got around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil there, and we're going to crush in 4 cloves of garlic. Right, so we've got around 4 cloves of garlic here. We're going to fry them off until they go slightly brown. Right, so we've got half a kg, 500 grams of chicken breast. Once the garlic has gone brown, we will add that and fry that off. Give it a good mix. So we've got some tandoori masala.
A teaspoon.
We're adding a teaspoon of tandoori masala. Mixing it as we go. So we've got some coarse black pepper here. We're adding a teaspoon of that. Can you see how nice the colour is with that tandoori masala, and the smell is absolutely divine. So we've got some red chilli flakes. We'll be adding around a teaspoon of red chilli flakes in there as well. Or according to your taste buds. So we've got some crushed coriander. We've got around a teaspoon of that. So add salt to taste. We're adding around a teaspoon of salt. Put it according to your own taste buds. So we've got around a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix all the spices in really well and make sure that you give it a good old mix. Right, so once you've given it a really good mix after adding the spices, cover it up, because the chicken will then release its water and it will cook itself in that water it releases. Right, so in between, keep taking the lid off every few minutes and give it a good stir. Can you see how it's releasing the water? And the colours look absolutely amazing. So give it a good stir, a quick little mix, and then put the lid back on it and keep it cooking. Right, so the chicken has been cooking in its own water for around 20 minutes. We've not added no extra water or anything. It's just been cooking in its own water with the lid on. So for about 10 minutes it was on high heat, and then after that we turned the gas low and it's just been cooking and simmering in that. And can you see the chicken is cooked really well? It's cooked beautifully and it's breaking off really nicely as well. Turn the gas off after 20 minutes, and that's it. That's your chicken done. What we will do is we will shred this into, well, not shred it, we will make it into smaller pieces, or maybe shred it when we're putting it on top of the pizza. Inshallah, we will be making a video on how we assemble our pizza. We've also got a video coming up with our pizza sauce. It'll either be before or after this video. And we've got a recipe with our pizza dough, and then we'll make one, either a separate one how to assemble it, or we might add it into one of the videos. But yeah, can you see how delicious that looks, guys? Look at that chicken. So you've got your beautiful tandoori chicken that would go on top of your pizza. Right, so we've done chicken today. We also like to make keema sometimes. There's a recipe in Urdu though on Mr. and Mrs. Khan's YouTube of the keema recipe as well. If you would like to see it in English, comment under that video and let us know, or comment under this video and let us know, and we will inshallah try and make it in English as well for you. But yeah, how delicious does that look? So inshallah what we'll do is we'll see you in the next video, inshallah. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you next